I'm here cooking from the 5-ingredient Diabetic cookbook for beginners. Let's check out the recipe I'm going to do today. Today we're doing Hearty Breakfast Burritos. You just need 5 ingredients, just like it says. This one you're going to need 6 large eggs, 4 whole wheat tortillas, 1 cup reduced fat shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup diced bell peppers, and 6 ounces of cooked chicken or turkey. I have chicken. I have a kitchen scale. I bought a rotisserie chicken and I measured this out. You don't have to do that. If you get a rotisserie chicken, this is about 1 chicken breast. This looks super simple, so I'm really excited to try it. I'm going to start by spraying my skillet with cooking spray. I'm going to put it on my stove on medium. Then I'm going to add my bell peppers and saute for about 3 minutes. We're just trying to soften these up. If you want to use some garlic or another spice or seasoning, you can do that too. In case you want to know all the things, 1 burrito is a serving size. It has 412 calories, 32 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat. Your carbohydrates are 9 grams, 6 grams of fiber, and 312 milligrams of sodium. I'm going to be honest, I'm not a big pepper lover, but I love the smell of peppers. While those start to saute, I'm going to crack my eggs. Work smarter, not harder. I do want to give them a little stir every now and then, so I'm staying close. This is a great recipe for meal prep because you can wrap the extras up and set them aside and warm them up each day for breakfast. And then you're not going to skip breakfast. Got to give these a little whisk. These peppers are probably about done. I could probably put these in the pan and whisk them, but I prefer to whisk them up. We've been going about 3 minutes. These kind of are softening up a bit. I like them a little softer, so I'll probably go a little bit longer. Make them according to how you like them, because if you don't like it, you're not going to eat it. Okay, now we're going to add our eggs and scramble until they are fully cooked. Remember, we're not making an omelet. You can just stir these all up. Make sure you get it all out. Are you a clean as you go kind of cook, or just clean it all up after? I vary. Sometimes I clean as I go. Sometimes I just have a big old mess to clean up at the end. I do like to kind of stir them a little bit so they don't get burned on the bottom. They're cooking up pretty quickly though. This would be a great breakfast for dinner kind of thing too. Those look done to me. So now we are going to add our cheese and our chicken until the cheese is melted. I'm going to put the chicken first. 1 cup of cheese, and we're going to melt everything together. My cheese is melted and fully incorporated into the dish. Now we are going to split this into 4 equal parts on 4 burritos, and then we will have our Hearty Breakfast Burritos. If you want to get real specific, you can get a scale out and weigh it. I'm not going to do that. Here's my 4 evenly distributed burritos. So I'm going to wrap this one burrito style and give it a go. Hold up, side, side. Let's give it a try. It tastes really good. I'm not big on peppers, but it tastes really good. You can order this cookbook, linked below. Check it out for yourself.